For today's delicious recipe, I'm going to first marinate the chicken, and for that I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of curd or yogurt. Along with that, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, and lastly, here you can add some salt as per taste. I'm now going to mix this and marinate it and leave it for a period of 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, I'm then going to take a pan and add 3 tablespoons of butter to it. After adding the butter, I'm then going to add 3 green cardamoms, 2 cloves, 1 bay leaf, 1 star anise, and a cinnamon stick. I'm then going to add 2 medium-sized onions to it. After adding the onions, I'm then going to mix it really well with the rest of the spices. And I'm then going to let this fry for another 3 to 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, you can then add half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. After adding the ginger garlic paste, you can then mix it with the onions until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes away. Once the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes away, you can then add 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. Along with that, you can also add half a teaspoon of coriander powder. You can then mix this with the onions and let it cook for another 1 minute. After 1 minute, you can then add 8 cashew nuts, and along with that, 3 medium-sized tomatoes. After adding the tomatoes, I'm then going to mix this really well with the onions and the cashew nuts. After mixing it well here, I'm then going to cook this for another 3 minutes until the tomatoes become nice and soft. While cooking it for 3 minutes, here I'm also going to add some salt as per taste, while keeping in mind you've already added some salt to the chicken earlier. And here along with the salt, I'm also going to add 2 green chillies. I'm now going to mix this and let it fry well for another 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, while the tomatoes have become nice and soft, I'm now going to switch off the flame and I'm then going to let this cool down. Once it cools down, I'm then going to add it to a mixer to make a paste out of it. While the tomatoes and the onions cools down, in the very same pan, I'm then going to add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Here you can alternatively add 2 tablespoons of oil to it. I'm then going to add a piece of the 1 kg of the marinated chicken. After adding this, I'm then going to mix this well for about 8 to 10 minutes on medium flame. While cooking it for 8 minutes, it's important that you mix the chicken from time to time so it does not get burnt. After the onions and the tomatoes have cooled down, as you can see here, I've made a paste out of the same. It's been about 10 minutes now, and as you can see here, the chicken has cooked really well. At this point of time, I'm now going to add the paste which we have made out. I'm now going to mix the paste with the rest of the chicken. After mixing it well with the rest of the chicken, I'm then going to add 1 glass of water to it. After adding 1 glass of water, I'm then going to mix this really well with the chicken and let it cook for another 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, I'm then going to add some fresh cream to it. Here I'm adding 3 tablespoons of fresh cream. After adding fresh cream, I'm then going to mix this really well once again and let this cook for another 1 minute. After 1 minute, you can then add some coriander leaves here to garnish it, which is optional, and you can then switch off the flame. After switching off the flame, your dish is now ready to be served. So if you did like this recipe, I'd request you to please click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.